Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Getting perfectly cooked white rice can feel like a challenge. You might have ended up with mushy grains or perhaps some that were still a bit too hard. But don't worry, it's actually simpler than you think. With just a few key steps, you can create fluffy, separate rice every single time. It's truly a kitchen staple, and mastering it will make your meals so much better. First, choose your preferred white rice, whether it's long grain, basmati, or jasmine. For instance, if you're cooking for two, start with 1 cup of dry rice. Then the most crucial first step, rinsing. Place your rice in a fine mesh sieve or a bowl and rinse it under cold running water. Continue doing this until the water pouring out looks completely clear. This removes excess starch, preventing sticky rice. Now for the golden rule, the water-to-rice ratio. For most white rice varieties, a 1 to 1.5 ratio works wonders. So, if you're using 1 cup of rice, you'll need 1.5 cups of water. Pour your rinsed rice and measured water into a heavy-bottomed pot. A sturdy pot with a lid that fits snugly is essential, as it helps trap steam, which is absolutely key for perfectly cooked grains. First, bring your rice and water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. As soon as you see those big bubbles, immediately reduce the heat to its absolute lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with its lid and let it simmer undisturbed for precisely 18 minutes. It's incredibly important not to lift the lid or stir the rice during this time, as that releases the crucial steam needed for cooking. Once the 18 minutes are up, take the pot off the heat, but keep that lid on. Let the rice rest, still covered, for at least 10 more minutes. This step is often overlooked, but it's super important. It allows the steam to redistribute, making every grain perfectly tender. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff your beautiful rice with a fork before serving. Enjoy your perfectly cooked rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.